Hey guys, happy St. Patrick's Day. Boy, this is unprecedented for just about every single thing we can think of right now, huh? Um, Welcome to your second week of spring break. Uh, First of all, I hope that each and every one of you and your loved ones are well and healthy. And I mean, really, that's just our main concern right now, isn't it? So I need you to just breathe and let go of your class stuff for just a little bit. It'll be there. There's no need to start dropping your classes or anything like that. We're going to get it all figured out. I'll get the calendar redone, and once we know something, then I can pass that along to you. What I do know right now is that our online sections are going to start back up on the 23rd, which is next Monday. And like I said, I'll have the due dates adjusted and we'll just figure it out from there. Oh, sorry. Sorry, my Alexa was going off. This working from home thing is great. Um, I don't know if you can hear all the crazy in the background. My daughter's home from UT because people in Austin are in the same boat we are. Um, and so it's nice to have all five kiddos home for a little while for me. But I wish it were under different circumstances, like I'm sure you do too. Um, we haven't heard yet, as faculty, what the plan is for people who have face-to-face classes. So if you're also taking face-to-face, just be patient. We don't know anything to tell you yet. But like I said, online right now is scheduled to start back up next week on the 23rd, and the due dates will be adjusted. But really, foremost, please take care of yourself. Stay home if you can. Stay well if you can. Uh, Let me know if there's anything I can do to help you. And we're just gonna get through this because that's the only option, right? We're gonna get through this. So I just wanted to reach out and wish you all well, and hopefully we'll be back to whatever normal is again soon, right? Okay. Take care. Bye bye.